Hey guys, today we are going to learn 3 basic steps that you can do in any dance choreography. Let's start. Today we are joined by Muhammad, Zainab and Hita. That is shy. Okay, so let's start. So the first step is a slide. So we go slide, 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 slide. Okay, and then we just put a hand. So slide, hand, slide, hand, slide, hand, slide, hand. That's our first step, okay? So let's do it with the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next step is a very simple leg step. Okay, so which is 1, 2, 3, turn, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're doing okay. Everybody do the right leg first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Next step is a very simple and very trendy step where we're going down and 1. We are twisting the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to bend your body in front and then do it. Okay? So let's do it again. Everybody bend your body. Okay, and twist your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do all the steps together. From all three, let's do all 3 steps together. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did everybody get it?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, let's do all together the last time, okay? Last time. And let's make it strong. Everybody do it nice and strong and enjoy it, okay? Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. watching. If you like the video, do subscribe